And here is that badly looking Sears Craftsman that I've now cleaned up. Actually it's still wet. I'm going to take this to a friend of mine this evening who was looking for a simple lawnmower. Well, he got a simple one with self-propelled. And with the optional flap here too. Self-propel works good on it. .75 gross horsepower engine, Z start, really starts good. And we put a new blade on this, the correct one. 21 inch, everything works good on here. Crankshaft was not bent, surprisingly, from all that damage this other blade had. Let me show you the other blade that was on here. And this is the blade that was on there with a badly bent end, and it was incorrect for this lawnmower with a star pattern. Alright, let's see if this will start without the primer button. Been starting very easy. Here we go. Sears Craftsman back alive again.